Welcome to Zyxel Networks, and hello everybody. I'm your host Phil, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the NBD service license. NBD stands for Next Business Day Delivery and basically means a top-up license which you can purchase in order to enhance our anyways free warranty services. The NBD license will ensure that you will receive your replacement kit as fast as possible. The NBD license also is only applicable for professional devices, and in today's video I will showcase you how to register one of those professional devices to the myzyxel.com management platform, as well as the NBD license itself, and interlink the two together. Let's dive directly into it. In order to interlink our professional device with our NBD license, we first have to log into the myzyxel.com platform. I have already prepared and opened up the myzyxel.com platform over here. You can reach out towards the myzyxel platform by typing in the URL myzyxel.com, portal.myzyxel.com, or account.myzyxel.com. If you're not familiar with the myzyxel.com platform at all, in very short terms, the myzyxel.com platform is a management cloud solution where you can register your devices, where you can also register licenses, interlink them with each other, and you can also download firmwares for the respective professional devices. For example, let me submit over here, and then we will directly talk about how to register a device. In case you have no account so far, you can use the sign up registration process to create your own account. As soon as you opened up the myzyxel.com platform, you can register your unit by clicking over here below on the device registration link. This will guide you to fill out the registration form where you have to enter the MAC address and the serial number of the respective unit. In case you don't know the MAC address or the serial number of your unit, you can always take a look at the back of the unit where there are labels showcasing the serial number and MAC address. I hope you can see this through the camera. Over here below, we got those two small little sticker labels. However, in my case, I already prepared everything and have copy-pasted, or I have already put the respective MAC address and serial number into the text document, and I will now go ahead and copy-paste them. Now you might notice that the format which I am currently using on the MAC address differs from what the label says. So we don't have these colon indications in between every 2 digits. This is because this is the standard notation of MAC addresses, while we on the labels just print the single hexadecimal characters. In the name field, you can type in whatever name you have. In my case, I'm going to call this the NSG100 because that's the unit model which I'm now registering to the platform. The reseller field can remain empty. In case you have a reseller, you can enter that in here, but the reseller will tell you if that's the case. This can be useful, for example, if the reseller is bound to do some maintenance work by contract, then he has to have certain accesses to your units, and therefore you enter the reseller. However, this is not a mandatory field, so if you don't have a reseller, don't worry about this. In our case, we will just click on Submit in order to submit this device. In case you have a Nebula device which you want to apply the Next Business Day license towards, myzyxel.com is not the right platform to assign and register the product, but instead the Nebula Cloud solution itself. Move over to nebula.zyxel.com, click on Get Started, log yourself into the system, and then move on to register your product to the respective site and organization you want to put your product into. You can register your Nebula product by clicking on Organization-wide, Inventory, and then typing in the serial number and MAC address by clicking on the Register button. Once you have registered your device onto the Nebula Cloud platform, you should be able to find it under the My Device setting in myzyxel.com. And here we can see that the NSG100 has been adapted towards our account. After we have successfully registered the device itself, we now have to move over to register the license itself. In order to do that, we move over to the service registration page, and now we have to enter the license key. The license key can be found within the PDF which you have received upon your order. In this case, I'm just going to copy paste this as well and just add this into the myzyxel.com platform. As soon as I have successfully registered the license, I can now move over to the status button here and click on the link button. The link button will give me the possibility to connect my license towards all the devices which are under my device, which are applicable for this respective license. In this case, I'm moving over to the NSG100 and clicking on the activate button and submitting this respective license. Now the service has been successfully linked to the respective hardware product, meaning that we are now fully finished with the next business day assignment. So in case you now have an issue with your device, you can contact the RMA department, add that you have a next business day delivery service license to your product, and then you'll get your new device in no time and with no hassle, ensuring that you can do your project and plan your project worry-free. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in more information surrounding the NBD or the Next Business Day delivery service, then move over to our support portal via support.zyxel.eu and search for the term NBD or Next Business Day in order to find the respective articles. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.